As with all AccessArt resources and approaches, the AccessArt Enquiry-Based pathways for teenagers are based upon pedagogical understanding transferred and adapted from other settings. By this, we mean, for example, understanding how creative adults inspire and enable their own creativity, and adapting this understanding to make it applicable and available to teenagers. Or exploring how art schools nurture creative thought and action, applying adapted techniques to the secondary phase. Or exploring the drivers which make art relevant to all our lives and sharing these with young people. Through the act of drawing down and up, best practice ensures the visual arts education we offer young teenagers is relevant, challenging, and exciting. The core values, or lenses. To create an art, craft, and design curriculum around chronologies of movements, specific skills, or static themes does not feel appropriate in the 21st century. Instead, we have an opportunity, through the exploration of art, craft, and design, to help develop skills, understanding, and behaviours which enable the next generation to recognise the value of their potential creativity, and to help them feel more grounded, enabled, and connected in a rapidly shifting world. Enabling pupils to explore their sense of creative capability and purpose without fear is our aim, and we propose the following 6 lenses or core concepts that help that exploration. When we explore art, craft, and design in the 21st century, we need to explore the relationship between play and purpose. Through art, we show young people the importance of play is in helping to identify not just solutions, but also identify questions. Through art, we enable teenagers to feel safe, to be and act in a space where they do not yet know, but where they can discover and take creative risks. Through these actions, we show young teenagers how to discover their sense of purpose and value. Help young people explore emotion and understanding. Through art, we give pupils the opportunity to explore and access their emotions, express their current understanding, reflect, and communicate. Through art, craft, and design, we give pupils tools for exploring difficult conversations and staying with uncomfortable concepts, showing them a way to process and evolve. Help build ways through which we can explore identity and empathy. How can we make art which helps us explore the relationship between self to other? How can we build empathy, curiosity, and tolerance of other through our experience of art? How can we recognize and nurture a sense of creative entitlement in all people, regardless of race, ethnicity, national origin, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, immigration status, religion, or disability? Explore the relationship between physical and digital. How do we use our physical bodies to sense our way in the world and create with physical materials? How might we use digital technologies to create in new ways and to reimagine new relationships between physical and digital? Explore when we might listen, speak, collaborate. Through art, we can explore when we might think, when we might act, and with whom. Through art, we can explore what is real, what we believe or don't believe, and what those beliefs mean to those around us. What can we do when we act individually and when we act collaboratively? Think about sustainability. How do we make art in a sustainable way? How do we make art which comments upon and explores what sustainability might mean? How might we think about sustainability on different levels? Personal, societal, global.